Hey fam, what's up? It's your girl Tiff, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to top knot thick curly hair, so stay tuned. So I'm starting off on an old wash and go that needs to definitely go, but for now I'm just going to refresh it with water. So I've got my warm distilled water right here, and I'll tell you guys about the distilled water that I'm using. You can either purchase it or make your own distilled water. I'll put a link down in the description box below on how to do that. But basically you're going to spray everywhere. So you're going to get in the roots, you're going to get on the ends, you're going to get the front and the back. And basically what you're doing is you're allowing the water to activate your curls. Next I'm going in with the Kinky Curly Knot Today. This is a leave-in conditioner and it is really smooth, and I love how it just helps to tangle. In this case, I'm going to be using it to kind of smooth out my curls a little bit more so that way I can get a nice sleek ponytail. You want to put this throughout your hair and then go ahead and separate your hair in half. And so the reason why you're doing this is because you're going to take the first half and create the first sleek ponytail, and then we'll add the back to it. I find this easier to do it this way than trying to pull all the hair up at once, because I get headaches really easy when it comes down to doing hairstyles like this. All right, now you're gonna go in with the brush that you have. You can either use a bristle brush or this kind of brush, totally up to you. But this is just helping you bring all the hair together so that way you get this nice sleek look. A bristle brush works just the same, but you wanna make sure your ponytail is even in the center of your head. And go ahead and add your ponytail holder. Now I use the ponytail holders without the metal clips on it, but it's totally up to you what you would like to use. Once you have your ponytail secure, you want to go ahead and repeat the same steps on the back of your hair. So you're going to go ahead and add the water, the warm distilled water. And like I said, you really want to get it wet to the point where you can activate the curls. Add the leave-in conditioner and then smooth it up to the other part of the ponytail. And this will ensure that you have two sleek ponytails all in one. Now go ahead and take your second ponytail holder and you're just going to tie it all the way around and make sure it's tight enough that it holds the ponytail but not too tight that it's hurting your scalp. Once everything is nice and sleek, you want to go ahead and add your edge control and then go ahead and start working on your edges. Now, as you can see here, I do have a layered cut to my hair. So it'll take some manipulation to get this circle around and to get it where I want. But once you figure out what look you want to go ahead and just adjust everything. Put your third ponytail holder and then again smooth everything out one last time. Now I'm going to be adding pins to my hair in certain areas that I want to have it super taut and not move. Make sure when you add your pins, you don't push them into the ponytail holders, but you actually push them down, so in and down. All right, so now I'm gonna just add my scarf and leave this on for about 15, maybe 30 minutes to actually keep everything in place, nice and smooth, and I'm gonna get ready and then I'll be back. All right, gang, so I'm back. I'm taking my scarf off now and everything looks nice and smooth. I'm just gonna take this toothbrush and kind of just get those last bit of baby hair. And it looks good. I really like how it looks. Everything is nice and smooth. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Super easy on how to do a top knot on thick curly hair. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. Until the next time, stay well, stay happy, and be blessed. Bye.